What if there was one food that could actually reverse aging after 60? Not slow it down, not hide it, reverse it. It's not a pill, it's not a supplement, it's something you can find in your grocery store. Yet doctors rarely talk about it. Why? Because it doesn't make anyone money. But today we'll uncover the truth, and your life after 60 may never be the same again. After 60, muscle mass drops, skin loses elasticity, energy fades, memory starts slipping. But here's the thing, these aren't just signs of aging. They're signs of chronic inflammation and nutritional decline. Most people think they need expensive treatments, but the answer might be sitting right on your plate. One food, one daily habit. That's all it takes to reclaim your youth. This food has been used by ancient cultures for centuries. They didn't have anti-aging creams or pharmaceutical drugs. They had real, whole food, rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and natural collagen boosters. In Okinawa, Japan, where people live well past 100, this food is a daily staple, and science is finally catching up. Recent studies show this food improves skin hydration, elasticity, and reduces fine lines in just weeks. It also supports cognitive function, joint health, and gut balance. It's nature's reset button, and it's probably already in your kitchen. Still guessing what it is? Let's keep going. Let's look at 3 real people over 60 who changed their lives with this food. Barbara, 67. She had trouble walking upstairs. Now she walks 5 miles every day. Richard, 72. His memory was declining, but after 60 days, he says his mind feels sharper than it did in his 50s. Maria, 74. Her skin was dry and wrinkled. After just 1 month, she says her friends thought she had cosmetic surgery. They all had one thing in common, this miracle food. So what is it? Bone broth. Yes, bone broth. But not just any kind. Homemade, slow-cooked bone broth, rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals. It's been called liquid gold for a reason. Here's why it works. Collagen rebuilds skin and joint tissue. Glycine calms the nervous system. Glutamine repairs the gut. Together, they create a powerful anti-aging trifecta. Let's break it down further. When you drink real bone broth daily, here's what happens. Wrinkles fade, joints feel smoother, digestion improves, sleep becomes deeper, brain fog lifts. It's not magic, it's biology, and it works. Now, let's talk about how to make it. The best bone broth starts with high-quality bones, grass-fed beef or organic chicken. Add onions, garlic, celery, apple cider vinegar, and filtered water. Simmer for 12 to 24 hours. Then strain. That's it. One batch can last you a week. Too busy to make it? There are great pre-made options, but watch the labels. Avoid anything with preservatives or MSG. Look for organic, pasture-raised, and slow-cooked versions. Drink 1 cup a day, morning or evening. You'll notice the difference. And if you're vegan or vegetarian, don't worry. You can mimic bone broth benefits with seaweed broth, mushrooms, and adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and reishi. It's not identical, but it supports many of the same systems. Here are the top signs it's working. Glowing skin, improved mobility, better sleep, reduced sugar cravings, mood stability. Your body will speak. You just have to listen. You don't need to fear aging. You need to nourish yourself correctly. Bone broth isn't a trend, it's a return to ancient wisdom. Try it for 30 days. Watch what happens. Your future self will thank you. Now that you know the truth, what will you do with it? Your best years might just be ahead of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more powerful health tips like this.